आता प्रिलिमिनरी स्टेज म्हणल्यार अराउंड 4 lakhs एंड अबाव ते पयलीं ते जस्ट कवरिंग करता आनी ताका पर्टिक्युलर एरिया डॅमेज जाला ते मातशें हें करतली आनी आफ्टर दॅट रिइन्फोर्समेंट बी तुगे ते फूल रॉक बोल्डिंग बी करतले आनी ताका फूल सपोर्ट करतले आनी देर विल नो लँडस्लायड्स.
केसरवाल जोर हांगा उबी आसा कित्याक आमी ह्या जोरीचें काम आयज चालू करता. प्रिलिमिनरी क्लिनिंग एंड रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ केसरवाल स्प्रिंग. आमी सगळीं जाणां की ही जोर आयजूच न्हू पूण लोक हिंगा सद्दां न्हांवपाक येतालो कित्याक ही जोर ह्या जोरीचें उदक मेडिसिनल वॉटर आनी ह्या खातीर जो कोण रिमोटिजम आसले वो आंग दुखताले वो कितें हिंगा न्हांवपाक येताले आनी हिंगा न्हांवून ते लोक बरो जातालो कित्याक these waters are medicinal waters and besides that people used to come here just to enjoy the environment. Okay, आनी ह्याच खातीर आमी हें काम घेतलेलें आसा under WRD. Okay, and the cost, this is only preliminary work and the cost of this work is about 4 lakhs. Now as you can see around us, a lot of work has to be done. The steps have to be put in order. Further we have to, as you can see, you know, we have to ensure that landslides do not take place because landslides alar, what will happen is it can block the flow of the water. So I request WRD engineers to take up this work seriously. I'm sure our contractor Mr. Camille Fernandez will do a good job and I request WRD to please ensure that we not only take care of the preliminary work but let us ensure that the environment around the spring is also put in place to ensure and to bring the spring back to its original glory. And we have been assured that stage by stage this spring will be restored back to its old glory.